gang, I'm back with a brand new video, and for today's video I will be doing the Jeffree Star Halloween mystery box unboxing, and today is Halloween, so happy Halloween to everyone that celebrates. So for today, like I said, we're doing the unboxing, and I thought it would be a super fun video to do it on Halloween instead of when I first got it, which was last Monday. So I've been saving it and I've been wanting to open it for so long, but I was like, you know what, I'm just going to wait until Halloween. I think it'll be a lot better of a video and more, you know, exciting since it is Halloween. It's a Halloween themed box. But before I get into the video, if you guys were wondering what I'm wearing on my lips, I am wearing my own brand, which is Shalisha Cosmetics. If you guys did not watch my first video when I introduced my whole brand, make sure you guys go watch that. But I am wearing my shade So Cocoa. I have 6 shades and they are all on sale for $10.50 for only in a limited time, which ends tonight at 11:59, which is for the whole day of Halloween. But it will be ending in a couple hours, so make sure you guys go grab your lip gloss. Like I said, this is So Cocoa. It's my chocolate brown out of the bunch, and I love it so much. It looks beautiful on all skin tones. It even looks beautiful on my black girls. But yeah, make sure you guys go shop with me and follow my social media for my business page, which is Shalisha Cosmetics. Everything will be below, and as well as follow all of my personal social medias, Instagram and Snapchat. I have everything below. Go give me a follow on there, and also subscribe to the channel and become part of Flawless Gang. We are growing and I am so excited. I can't wait to get more videos out and continue growing the family. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Alright, so here is the mystery box. This is the I think it's the premium, but this is actually my first purchase from Jeffree Star. I have always wanted to buy something from Jeffree Star, but his brand is super colorful. I know he has some neutral colors, more my style, but I thought it would be super fun to finally get my hands on some products of his and try them out and see how they are. So yeah, I got the mini box and I'm so excited to see what's inside. I have been waiting to open this since last Monday, but yeah, let's go ahead and open this box and see what's inside. I'm super excited. I've heard that there's around like 4 to 5 items in each like small box, so I can't wait to see what I have in mine. And I'm holding on this side because this side has my address and stuff. So yeah, this is the packaging for the premium box, so let's go ahead and open and see what's inside. Alright, so here is the inside of the box. Like I said, I have the premium box, which is the smaller one, for $40. And I kind of opened it a little weird. I don't know how I opened it, but it has some black tissue paper inside, and then all the products are sitting in the middle. So let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. So I got 4 products. I got, looks like a palette and 3 lip products. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what shades these are. Alright, let's start off with the palette. I think all the lip products are pretty much all in the same categories. Let's do something new. So this is super cute. So this is the packaging of the palette. I'm not sure which one this is, but I'm pretty sure it's something from like a summer collection. So this is the like chartreuse color that he had did in the summertime. So it has the little Jeffree Star sticker. And let's open it and see what's inside here. Yep, like I thought it would be something from the summer collection. So this is the mini jawbreaker. I have saw so many pictures of this online, but I never saw it in person. So let me see what this looks like in person. Ooh, the packaging is super pretty. I like this. This is super pretty packaging. I love it. Ooh, this is definitely nice. So this is the packaging of the mini jawbreaker. Ooh, the shades are beautiful in person. These are the shades of the mini jawbreaker. This is so pretty. I like these colors. So they have double scoop, orange crush, foreplay, oral, purple punch, slice, bubblegum, bite me, and hot fudge. This is a super fun palette, and it's really pretty how they have like a coordination of like a lot of purples. This is really pretty. I like this, and also like, you know, some pinks and oranges, pops of summer colors. So this is really pretty. So I got the mini jawbreaker. And last but not least, like I said, I have 3 lip products for you guys. So I have, let's see, I have a liquid lipstick, a velour liquid lipstick. I have a lip ammunition, and I have a velour liquid lipstick again. So this is in the shade Soul Sucker, and I haven't seen any pictures of this, so I'm kind of curious to see what shade this is. I'm thinking it's something like black, you know, because the packaging is pretty black. So let's see what this shade looks like. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, I love his tops. I love the tops of his velour lipstick. You guys know I love pink, so this is definitely up my alley. I love his packaging. Super cute. So like I had said, it looks like it would be like a black, and it's definitely black with like some Looks like gold flecks of glitter. This is definitely something different that I personally probably wouldn't wear. So I'm probably going to either give this away or something like that. But this is super fun for like Halloween and stuff. So this is Soul Sucker. Alright, and the last velour liquid lipstick I have is called First Class. I love this packaging too. You guys know I love pink like I just mentioned. But let's see what this color looks like. Ooh, this is super cute. Alright, so we have a gold velour liquid lipstick. Now this is different. I like this a lot. Shade is definitely different, like I said, like Soul Sucker, but this is definitely a great lip for like New Year's, like the holiday season. This would be a really pretty lip. Do like a bold lip and maybe like some corresponding eyes with like the same lip color. This would be so pretty. But yeah, this is First Class. Definitely super different. I think First Class is a great name for this lip color because, you know, First Class is like the more expensive, higher brand seating in like airplanes. So I think this is like definitely a great color name for this shade. So this is First Class. And the last color, now this is something I would wear. This is a red lipstick. This is called Red Rum. If I'm saying that right, Red Rum. Is it Red Drum or Red Rum? I don't know. It's either Red Drum or Red Rum. I think it's Red Drum, but let me know in the comments if I'm wrong. But this is the lip ammunition, and like I said, it's a red color. So let's see what this looks like. Oh, I love his packaging. I've never had anything from Jeffree Star. This is also new to me, but oh my god, his packaging is adorable. Definitely super girly. Up my alley. I love pink. But okay, so let's take a look at the. Ooh, now this is pretty. This is pretty. I like this shade a lot. Do you have a smell? Ooh, they smell good. They smell like candy, like some sort of like sweet candy. That smells really good. And his packaging is like super sturdy. I like this color. Now this is something I'll definitely wear around like Christmas or New Year, something like that. I'm wearing the outfit. I could wear a red lip with it. Yeah, I definitely will wear this lip color because it's more of like a neutral color. Something you can wear like, you know, for a special occasion. It's more wearable. So I love this color, and oh my god, his packaging is just beautiful. It's my first time ever like having anything in person. I've seen a lot of pictures, but having it in person and be able to see it for yourself, this is like crazy. And this is beautiful. It smells amazing too. Oh my gosh. So this is Red Drum or Red Rum, whichever. So these are all the things I received in my mystery box. I think this is a great box. I know a lot of people got like straws, and they got like the mirror and like some shirts and stuff. But for the mini one, I think this is a great deal for what you get. I think this is really amazing. I love all the stuff I got. I think they're all original, so nice and different. I will definitely be shopping with Jeffree Star some more and getting some other products. I could do more reviews for you guys and stuff like that. If you guys would be interested in that, let me know in the comments. And even just makeup reviews in general. I used to love doing those. If you guys want to see those again, let me know in the comments. So yeah guys, that is the end of this video with the Jeffree Star mystery box for Halloween edition. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe below, and let me know what you guys got in your boxes. If you guys have purchased the Halloween box from him, let me know what you guys got in yours. I would love to know. I love everything I got. Some stuff is really, you know, bold and stuff I wouldn't wear, but also some stuff that I could work with and, you know, do some pretty looks with. So I'm pretty excited with my first purchase. I will definitely be buying some more stuff from him. Like I said, if you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe below for more videos. And also don't forget to follow all my social media. Everything is below. Shalisha Marie Cosmetics is down below as well. Everything for my business is below, like the website and also the Instagram page. And for my personal stuff, my Instagram is @Shalisha Marie and my Snapchat is PrincessGirl18. So follow me on everything. So before I leave, once again, make sure you guys go shop my lip glosses. Like I said, I'm wearing So Coco, and all the glosses are $10.50 on sale, which the sale ends tonight at 11:55 Eastern time. So go shop the sale, save a lot of money, and I will also be doing another sale around Black Friday. So grab your gloss while it's on sale and save a ton of money at checkout. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone. Mwah.